evening, hockey fans. Welcome inside the NMAX Center as the Hurricanes welcome the Medicine Hat Tigers in the 26th Annual Canadian Tire Toque and Teddy Toss. Work down the boards, lead to the middle. Here's a chance, Weisblatt center, chance, they score! Drew Krebs back door, and the Tigers strike first. It's 1-0. As a puck chipped up the left wing, Shepard will get it ahead to Wormold. Here's Wormold, breakaway. Wormold scores! Logan Wormold says, "Here's my TED Talk." He sends the Bears flying.
I'll use the last year line, but the fur is flying right now. This is beautiful. Thank you, Hurricanes fans.
Zimmer falls in front of Van Mulligan. Bouncing puck, here comes Lethbridge, backdoor scores! Double digits for Tyson Zimmer. Points in 10 in a row, and the Hurricanes have a 2-goal lead. It's 3-1. So 3 unanswered goals by the Hurricanes going back to the first period after Drew Krebs made it 1-0. Wormold, Marcus, and Zimmer since. Here's McNeil, a chance, scores! Menningen had lost his goal stick, and Owen McNeil answers back in a hurry. It's 3-2. Could be a 2-on-1 for the Tigers. Boehm in. Boehm shooting, scores! Tie game, 3-3. Pass didn't get through. Now an odd man break the other way. Zimmer in on the left side. LaVenture to the net. Zimmer shoots, scores! A Tyson Zimmer goal. Did you have that on your bingo card? It's his second. He stays red hot, and the Hurricanes in front 4-3. Tyson LaVenture keeps it down below the goal line. Cycles. Jones has Zimmer in front. Chance at the side. They score! Jones jammed it home, and the Hurricanes have a 5-3 lead. And the Kane train continues to roll. Not their best tonight, but they come up with the victory, and it's Matt Anholt's first ever Western League win as a head coach, acting as the head man in Brent Kissio's absence, and it's a 5-3 victory for the Hurricanes on Teddy Toss night to improve to 7-1-0-1 in their last 9 home games.